Hello guys, this is Angie and big hello from Singapore. So here we go again guys, just done my attend the mass guys. Today is Sunday here guys and yeah, the weather is so white, gray over there. The other side is I think blue sky guys. Yeah. So, by the way, how you doing your weekend over there? So today I'm gonna go to catching with my friends and yeah, my other friend we was not able to meet today because she rushed going to somewhere else guys. So she cannot wait me. So let them her go. So my other friends are meeting today guys. Okay, see you later. I'm happy guys. So so I'm here going to find for lunchtime guys. Try to find what to eat today guys and to share with you what we can find. I'm here at the BIDA mall. So here my other friend. Welcome to and meet my friend again. Cherry. Ah. Asking where we are going today, guys. So just a while ago, I telling you we are going to find food for our lunch today, guys. And we maybe later we meeting other friend because we are having off day and eat together again today, guys. Pagkatapos ng lunch time guys, so magkain na ng fruits, blueberries. My friend bring here. She made already everything guys. She was and then she put inside this container. So ready to eat. Just take some and then try inside your mouth. I love these blueberries. And so many things to do with this kind of fruits guys. Especially the dessert like that and pancakes or cake, smoothies. Do you try to make just like this guys using blueberries? Please comment down below if you ever saw and so that I will know your opinion guys. So let's have some blueberries to eat now guys. This is good for the health, our health guys, right? And especially for kids, really, it's good for the brain, for the kids also guys. Yum. And by the way guys, we are here outside the mall. I show you guys this area. Daming mura mabibili dito guys. Daming damit dito. Wow, oo nga. Wow, so nice. Jeans.
Wala tayong kasya. Ito, comfortable lang.
They are cheap guys. $10. 8. They got $5. Really cheap. Oh, kuhaan ko muna. Wow, got so much fruits here guys. Avocados. Wow. There you go guys. Dragon fruit. Wow. Mango. So much fruits here also guys. Got so nice thing here. Good quality. Wow, they sale also guys. Oh, I can find here. Smoothie or juice. Because so hot weather here guys. Singapore. I think here guys, finally is here. Yeah. Vlog. She's looking at me also guys. So we are finding each other in the other mall. So here we go guys.
Hanap niya ako kung saan ako kayo.
Snack time guys today. I don't know what to taste today guys. I'm feeling so thirsty. Here, guys. So wanna try they call CHENDOL snack guys. I think similar with the ice kacang. Just like the ice halo-halo Filipino snack. But today I wanna try the CHENDOL. They said that. I like this one also. Can I have that CHENDOL auntie?
250 this side. Thank you. Happy year.
Yeah, having here.
Thank you. You need a receipt?
No need auntie. Thank you. Red beans, ice milk, there's like a milk is coconut milk. I don't know the other green here guys. You know this is something, what else green? I don't know. Kung hindi makan na daw? Are you going to try this? Something like salt, sugar, this kind of thing, guys. Guys,
This one, all.
In the horoscope, guys. Which one your horoscope here, guys? Just comment down below. For me is a gold. Dali.
Star and BIDA, everything shall go smoothly. And misfortune is
Gold for me.
like it from the benefactors
Oh, nice.
that you have always.
What she says here, guys. With the star of it, everything shall go smoothly, and misfortune will turn into blessings. You will get help from benefactors when in need. As you have always treated others with kindness, you shall easily gain support from your wide network, advance in your career, and gain a strong foothold at work. Influenced by the entanglement stars, you may be easily distracted and feel restless. Confiding in a friend can make you feel better. Think carefully before making important decisions. Avoid acting impulsively or you might attract trouble. Wow, I like it. What is your opinion, guys? Those who uh, born in gold symbol, guys, or horoscope on their gold. Nice. Benefactor sign is snake and fish. Guys. Carnival, guys. This is the ticket booth. Nice. Postable. There, guys.
手快了的话就不好办。自来水。
Wow. This guy is nice. Bowling. Lucky wheel, guys. Small train. Video here, guys. So hope you like this video today, guys, and please write comment down below so that I will know also your opinion about this video, guys, and please click the subscribe and don't forget to click the notification ball notification bell and click all so that when I uploading new videos you will be notified to watch the video, guys. So hope your weekend, if ever weekend in your place, happy weekend, and see you next time again, and always be kind in life to everyone, and I always thank you for your unending support to this my channel, guys, and yeah, God bless us all. Okay, see you next time again, guys. Bye.